Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are diving into Leap.new, an AI platform that helps you build, train, and deploy custom models without heavy coding. It's one of those no-code platforms with a ChatGPT type prompt where you can just chat with the AI and have it build web apps, websites, usable code for you, even if you don't know anything and you're not a dev whatsoever. So if you've been curious about how to take raw data, turn it into something usable, actually integrate it into your projects, this tool might be exactly what you need. So let's walk through it step by step so you can see what it does and how to use it in real life. Now, the first thing that we want to do is that we want to sign up. So I'll press this little button over here. I'll create an account and I'll meet you on the flip side. So today in the video, we're going to be going through Leap.new, how easy it is to use. We're going to be building a benchmark web app habit tracker using it. And hopefully if the free tier that we're on right now allows it, we're going to publish said website and share it with you for your viewing pleasure. We're also going to be going through the pricing tiers in it and what it presents. So here's a quick comparison between it and Bolt and Lovable, which we have covered on this channel. We get AI code generation. It builds front ends. It builds back ends. That is Leap. That's something that only Replit does. Built-in PostgreSQL databases, deploy to your cloud, and microservice and event-driven architectures. These are all things that only Leap, as opposed to Bolt, VO, and Lovable present. Now, how to prompt one of these AI code generating websites is something that is really important, and something that I'm very grateful for is that some of those actually present to you with an effective prompting guide right on the app, which is amazing. But we already know exactly how to do that. And usually if you're too lazy to actually join this, you can just ask ChatGPT for it. You can phrase it however you want to phrase it to ChatGPT, and it will come up with a, viewable, beautiful prompt that tests everything that one of those AI code generating platforms actually presents. Now, with today, we have our benchmark prompt that we've been asking all these platforms to build with, and it's basically building a functional habit tracking app that has custom UI, that has beautiful colors, has a sign in sign out feature, and the ability to actually mess around with these habits. So I've pasted said prompt that we've been using and press enter. And right now it's about to start building, and much like all the other platforms as well, the UI is pretty fast, pretty intuitive. You get the chat/prompt area on the left over here. It's creating the project as we speak. And then on the right is going to be the preview window with backend, front end, and only errors. It can show you the build. It can show you no errors right now. It can show you the logs and also the tests that are going to be coming soon. So right now it's showing us the code as it writes it in real time. The preview is going to be right here on this widget, but there's nothing to preview yet. Architecture also won't appear here. Infrastructure won't appear, and the service catalog. So I'll meet you as soon as we have something feasible that I can show you, and we'll actually time it. I'll tell you exactly how long it takes. All right. It's been about 7 minutes or so, and it's done such a great job. And I want to say this because compared to other platforms that I've tested time and time again, it really doesn't show you the live coding like that. I have no developer background whatsoever, and the fact that I can see this right now, maybe the other platforms do have it, but it's not as intuitive and as easy on the eyes as Leap.new right now. And I'm going to press preview for the first time because now we have front end and back end. So it's currently testing the application. It's been 7-8 minutes now. I hope when we press preview, we see it for the first time and it's beautiful. All right. So it kept having errors and it kept trying to fix said errors. Can I just have it to look at? Oh my goodness. All right. It's been about 12 minutes, but it looks amazing. I'm not going to lie. Shut up for a second. Habit flow. Build habits that flow naturally. Drink water. Walk for 20 minutes. So this is like an example. This is the sign up page, which I'm messing with. I'm not going to lie. I'm messing with it. Maybe I like the brown, but I don't love it. But I'm all right for now. Do we have a demo to start your journey? So it takes us to a sign-in, probably a demo sign-in. So let's just create an account. Create an account right now. And we are in. it took care of business, okay? It might have taken a little bit too long, but in the grand scheme of things, it's 2025, and I just wrote some words. I didn't even write the words. AI wrote some words for me, and then another AI made an entire web app called Habitflow. And I like the little graphics with the battery looking graphs. The completion is done. I haven't drank any water. Let's say I did drink water, so Sunday is good. I did this as well. All right, and can we add a habit? Okay, I like the little things. The boys. Play with the boys. Okay, and I want it to be red. Create this habit. Habit created. It's red. It's got the little thing. It's nuanced. I like it. I'm very happy about it. History. This shows us the history of days that I'm done with little widgets for the week and the day. The settings. It's got the time zone that we can acclimate to it. Delete account. Sign out. These are the logs for everything that I have done thus far. A testing feature is going to appear. It can show you only errors in the build. It can show you only build backend. Only front end right here. I like it. I like the UI, and as a guy, and I like testing this as a guy that has no background in developer background whatsoever. Okay, here's the architecture, the habits, the auth, the check-in. As far as infrastructure, you can see it right here in that widget. And that's the service catalog for everything that is public. Now, this is where you integrate GitHub. This is where you can reset your preview environment database. The settings are as follows. Okay, that's for this project itself, and the app ID is right here. Public preview. Now, anyone can access this preview. Thank you so much. Now, before we publish this, let's actually save, and I'd like to show you the pricing for, yes. Let's look. Now we are on the free credit plan right now. And if you refer you create a post about it, you actually get free credits to keep creating. What else do we have? We can have the plan. Okay, so 63% of your monthly credits have been used. Let's upgrade. Let's look at upgrading. For the Pro 10X, you get 10X more credits. That's $30. 2X is 60, and so on and so forth. So it basically just runs on a credit system. So the bigger your entire database is, and whatever you're trying to create is, the more credits you use. So it might run you up a little bit. It might be a little bit more expensive, but hey, it's always good. So yeah, let's see what happens when we need to deploy. So, of course, you can get a custom domain using Hostinger right here, and you can connect it. You can connect Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or you can use Encore Cloud Hosting, which you can use to deploy. And let's see if this actually works on the free plan and how many credits it uses and how long it takes. All right, I think we have a domain. I think we have an actual website that's working. Let's manage that. There it is right here. If we press on it, we've got a habit tracker, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to copy this for you guys to actually check out. It's going to be in the link down below. And yeah, this is it. This was our little overview / beginners tutorial to Leap.new. We created a website. I showed you the pricing. We deployed an actual website start to finish. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll catch you in the next one.